Why does your scanner show the P0946 engine code? What does it mean? P0946 is a diagnostic trouble code for hydraulic pump relay circuit range or performance. The P0946 trouble code is a generic OBD2 code defined as hydraulic pump relay circuit range or performance. It means your vehicle's powertrain or transmission control module, PCM or TCM, detected that the hydraulic pump relay is not performing within its expected operating parameters. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty hydraulic pump relay, failing hydraulic pump motor, damaged wiring, low hydraulic fluid, faulty control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, Audi, Chevrolet, and Hyundai. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.